Most people think all crypto exchanges operate the same way, but the surprising truth is that each platform differs drastically in fees, security, and available features. Today, I'm sharing my experience with Poloniex, one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges still active. Poloniex allows trading of hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. You can use spot trading, margin trading, and lending features directly on the platform. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for experienced traders. In reality, Poloniex also supports beginners with a simple interface and guides to get started. Opening an account is straightforward. After verification, you deposit crypto or fiat, and you're ready to trade. You won't believe what happens next when you explore the dashboard. Market charts are detailed, and the order books are real-time, giving you the same tools professionals use. Advanced users can benefit from margin trading, while newcomers can stick to spot trading safely. Security is a critical factor. Poloniex uses two-factor authentication, cold storage for most funds, and withdrawal confirmations. The surprising truth is that despite being over a decade old, Poloniex has maintained strong security records, which is rare in crypto. Fees are competitive. Trading fees are tiered based on your monthly volume, and there's a slight reduction if you use the exchange token, PLX. The downside is that customer support can be slow during peak market activity, so be patient if you encounter issues. Overall, Poloniex is reliable for both casual and advanced traders, offering a wide range of coins and trading tools. If you want a platform with variety, speed, and security for your crypto trades, Poloniex is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews before you deposit your funds.